Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first things first, before we'll start, make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and then make sure that you've got your Google account added to the device so you can follow all of my steps. If you do not have one, no worries, just check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So now we can start. Let's open Play Store. And we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. So let's tap on it. And here we have to tap on My Apps and Games. Now let's tap on Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps, of course installed on our device. So we have to tap on Updates Available, and we can check which one we can update. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them and update all. If not, you can choose like 1, 2 or 3, how much you want, and update them. So let me choose maybe Facebook, maybe My Health, and Speech Recognition. Just mark those which you want to download and then tap on this update icon. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically applied, and the apps will be updated. Of course, you do not have to wait here. You can just turn it off completely and do whatever you want. Everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.